Today I'll speak about Mangalam Drugs. If you're looking at just a company snapshot, basically deals with APIs, intermediaries as well as specialty chemicals. But I liked how what they've done as far as their balance sheet is concerned. Mainly just a financial snapshot if you're looking at it. Market cap of 235 crores. It's lesser than the sales of last year, and this year only the sales is almost 225 crores. So they will probably cross the 300 mark, and probably the market cap will still be lower than what it was last time around. Mainly some of the interesting things that I saw, that the net worth is continuously increasing. If you're looking at the net worth from FY11, it was 25 crores. It was 61 crores by the start of this financial year, and midway through the financial year, they have actually increased their net worth to almost 73 crores. So basically, the reserves have gone up significantly for the company. Apart from it, over the past few years, the company has gone on a serious debt reduction drive. So if you're looking at this is the net debt ratio, FY12 they were at 1.6 times. The peak was 3.3 times, and they managed to get it down to almost 1 time again in this financial year. So clearly, there is something that they are doing right as far as cleaning up their balance sheet is concerned. Return ratios have increased significantly for the company. Just look at the return ratios. So from a negative return on asset, they have moved to almost a 10%. Return on equity was a negative 12%. They got it to 23% in FY15, and now it's almost 40% here. And even the return on capital employed from 6% has moved up to levels of 30%. So these are the numbers that have come out. Apart from it, if you're looking at the balance sheet cleanup that they have done, it's very, very interesting because I've broken it up in terms of receivable days. They've got it down from 77 days to just 45 days. In terms of inventory days, they've got it down from 97 to 63. And the cash conversion cycle that they have, they've got it down from 123 days to just 56 days. So there is serious balance sheet cleanup that is happening, and the company is doing towards it. Now the other interesting part is that the promoter holding. Look at the promoter. From 42% in 2015, they have managed to inch up to almost 50% in the December quarter that has come out. So the management itself is bullish. So when the management itself picks up stake in the company, that is one indication that you have to see whether the company, the management has confidence in the company or no. Profits, just look at the balance sheet or look at the profits of the company. It reported a net loss of 11 crores in FY13. In this year, they have done in the 9 months itself, they have done 17 crores compared to 17 crores. So this number will also increase by the end of the year. And finally, some things that work for the company we found out. Basically, if you're looking at it, it's a niche business that they work on. Anti-malaria business that is there, the anti-HIV AIDS drugs that is there. So it's a very, very niche product business, and they support them. And for the past 6 quarters, they've been having double-digit EBITDA margins for the company. Some of the concerns, first of all, the company does not pay out dividends. The last time it paid dividend was way back in 2005. It hasn't been paying any kind of dividends. And finally, 50% of the shareholding of the promoter is pledged. But it clearly, there's no miracle happening. There is clearly, they are working on the balance sheet. They're trying to repair the balance sheet, and they're increasing the share of the promoter holding. So this is one company you have to watch out for the next few quarters numbers to actually get a sense of what exactly they are doing, but it seems that they are cleaning up their balance sheet.
My understanding of the entire anti-HIV business or the malaria drug business is that it's a high volume, low margin business. The two examples here are IPCA and what Bliss GVK has managed to achieve. So why is the turnaround happening in Mangalam Drug when they are in a very competitive space?
See, first of all, they have a WHO approved facility, which means that, globally when tenders happen, if you are WHO approved, the tenders that you get will be much better. So they are there. The problem with IPCA remains, given the fact that the US FDA import alert is there, and usually that will take a big overhang as far as their numbers are concerned. So clearly that is something, and they've worked on the numbers. It's not a 1 quarter thing. It seems that they have been working on what they are doing. Their cash flows has increased. They have tried to repair their balance sheet, and that certainly seems to be working for Mangalam Drugs. We'll certainly try to get the management over in the next few days to get answers to why this exactly is happening, and that will be very interesting.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.